Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to make IR proximity sensor using LM358IC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification for the new video. Let's understand how it works. The IR transmitter LED emits infrared rays. When this infrared ray reflects by any obstacle, then it comes back and IR receiver LED detects the reflected infrared ray. And then this provides a signal to the LM358IC. The IC turns on the LED light. For this project, we need an LM358IC, IR receiver and transmitter photodiode, 5mm LED, 103 preset. It's a 10k ohms variable resistor. And resistors. Placing the LM358IC on the breadboard. Here is the pin description of this IC. Connect pin 8 with the positive rail of the breadboard, and pin 4 with the negative rail of the breadboard. Placing the 103 preset on the breadboard, and connect terminal 1 of the preset with the positive rail of the breadboard, and terminal 2 with the negative rail of the breadboard. Then connect the terminal 3 of the preset with pin 2 number of IC. Place a connector from the positive rail of the breadboard. Then connect the IR transmitter LED positive terminal with the positive rail of the breadboard. Then connect a 220 ohms resistor between negative rail of breadboard and negative terminal of IR LED. Now connect IR receiver LED between pin 3 and pin 8. Then connect a 10 kilo ohms resistor between pin 3 and negative rail of breadboard. Now place a 5mm LED light on the breadboard. Connect pin 1 of the IC with LED positive terminal. And connect a 120 ohms resistor between the LED negative terminal and the negative rail of the breadboard. Then connect the both power section of the breadboard like this. The circuit connection is completed. Let's test it. I'm providing 5V power supply. You can use 5 to 9V power supply for this project. It's working properly. You can adjust the distance by changing the value of the preset. Please explore the previous video I uploaded to my channel. Thank you for watching.